The pin and hook style wiper blade attachment is possibly the easiest one to work with. Nothing truly locks this wiper blade into place, it is merely held onto the wiper arm just by being in the operating position. As with any wiper blade replacement, make sure the wiper arm stays put when you're working with it. You do not want that thing slamming down on your windshield, that'll ruin your day fast. To remove the old wiper blade, pull the wiper arm up and hold it in place. Rotate the wiper blade roughly 90 degrees so that the side of the wiper that is facing the wiper arm rotates away from the wiper arm. Slide it off the pin and you're done. It's that easy. Putting the new wiper blade on is the reverse of taking the old one off. One extra step you can take to get a little better performance out of your wiper blade and extend the life of the wiper arm is to put a plastic safe grease on the pin. I like to use this silicone grease because it keeps moisture out. It also helps reduce noise because it fills the gap between the wiper attachment and the pin on the arm. After your new wipers are installed, give them a test and make sure your windshield is clean. Nothing wears out wipers faster than a dry, dirty windshield.